What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to the state of Montana. But first, last episode I had Nefla soup here in Bismarck, North Dakota at Kroll's Diner, and it was fantastic. I saw soup, didn't know what to expect. I thought like thin chicken noodle, but no, this was thick, creamy, buttery, tons of dumplings and potatoes, and it was fantastic. But I put it somewhere on our list. We have a strong list. I decided to put Nefla soup at number 26 on our list, which this far into the series is a great spot. Not gonna sit here and defend myself. Great spot for North Dakota, solid job. But we have a hike today. We are going to try to get to Billings, Montana tonight. We're a couple miles away. We're a little bit away. We've got a handful of supercharging stops to go to. We got one 5 minutes from here. We'll get there with 23% and charge there for a little bit, let them out. So let's go do that and then just start hiking through Montana. Let's go. We're still in Bismarck, just like 5 minutes down the road. The windshield is already kind of filled with bugs. How's the front bumper? Dude, they just cleaned it. Like an hour of driving, that's what it looks like. It is ridiculous out here with the bugs in North Dakota. I don't expect the boys to want to walk around too much. They've been tired since that car wash stop as well, but get them some water at least. What's up, boys? We'll try to walk around a little bit. You checking on me, Brody? I'm okay. Tired boys. All right, Brody, I'm okay. Tired boy. Brody, I'm trying to say something. I was gonna say, tired boys makes for, all right, Brody, you got it. Tired dogs make for short walks, which make for efficient charging stops. That's all I was trying to say. All right, we have 61%, enough charge to continue trip. We'll get to our next stop with 21%. Plenty for me. Let's go ahead and unplug. And with that, we are off to Dickinson, North Dakota. Still not in Montana yet. Dickinson, North Dakota. Let's go ahead, plug in. That felt like a long stretch. Also, North Dakota still looks like Iowa. No mountains yet. All right, boys, let's walk around a little bit. Double jumper. Not much to walk around. Got a nice trail here, but we're in the parking lot of a mall and shopping center. And the Caribou Coffee is in there somewhere. I downloaded the app on the way here, ordered a coffee, so I'm gonna walk them for a bit and then go pick it up. Like, look, we got the car washed 3 hours ago. Look at that front bumper. What the heck? It's like a paint splatter. Why are the bugs all different colors? Huh, Brody? Why are the bugs all different colors? Boop. Get in there, Raider. Get in there. They just want to sleep. I do too, but I gotta get some coffee because I gotta drive. Be good, boys. I'll be right back. I hope it doesn't rain. It's windy. It looks like it's going to, but you know what? Caribou Coffee, it's coming through again. Consistently good, unlike another coffee chain we've had on this trip that isn't consistent. Also, there's a windshield washer thing there. I'm gonna clean the windshield. I can't show you guys, it's too freaking windy. The phone's gonna fall over and this microphone setup might break. I don't want it to happen, but let's clean the windshield. If this falls, I'm gonna be mad. This thing's like falling apart. I don't know if this will work. We also got plenty of battery to continue our trip, so let's go do that. We've got 68%. We'll get to Glendive, Montana, finally in Montana. Next stop, 30% we'll get there with. I'm gonna enjoy this coffee on the road. A little tired, but we're pushing. Let's go. Made it to Glendive at 29%. Just saw some raindrops, so I'm gonna let them out while I can before it rains and plug in. It is so freaking windy. Come on, boys. Let's get out a little bit. just in the parking lot of a Holiday Inn. Nothing too fancy, and it's not raining right now, so all is good. Raider saw a plastic bag. I think he thinks it was a squirrel, so now he's aware. He's looking for something. Ain't nothing over there, killer. All right, boys. This is also a pretty big moment because I've been saying this whole series, this Montana block is huge. We are going through the entire state, east to west. It's bigger than Alaska on the map. I know in real life it's not like that, but it's gonna feel like that on this drive. And finally, I can stop digging through this bag and reaching past this state because Montana is on our board and we just have a few to go. That's kind of crazy. But don't think we are close. These are some of the biggest states and we're like right here in Montana. We gotta go all the way. I don't want to spoil anything. We gotta go across. I've heard some great things about Montana. It's supposed to be a beautiful state. Starting to see some mountains already as we just crossed the border. I was actually talking to this girl from Montana. Her name was Hannah, not even a joke. Her name was Hannah from Montana. We had like 2 or 3 great dates. We had the next one planned, moving it at my place, so I got her favorite drinks, her favorite snacks, and then she stopped texting me. So not gonna hold that against Montana, but beautiful state so far. But I'm pretty sure we're more than ready to go. Let's unplug and get back on the road. We are just trekking along. We have 60%. We'll get to Miles City in about an hour. We're 20%. Let's keep on going through the big state of Montana. Hannah texted me eventually, but she said she wasn't ready to pursue any sort of dating, even though we met on a dating app. Cool state though. We made it Miles City with 24%. That was me this morning in Fargo, half marathon, Miles City. Gotta be here for at least 20 minutes just plugged in. There is a little convenience store right there. I'm gonna go and grab a snack after I walk the boys. Wait, Brody, you were patient for a minute. I think the next time we go on our 50-state road trip, we're gonna need one of those. I'm just kidding. This has been an experience, but I don't know if I would count on a next time for this. Also, it's pretty flat out here. I mean, there's some mountains in the distance, but I think, isn't it like Western Montana? That's like the really pretty part. Not that it's not pretty here, but we're still pretty far east. We're making our way though, but we're still in like Eastern Montana. Sleepy boys. I see you back there, Raider. You creep. All right, be good boys. I'll be back. Let's go see what Zip Trip is all about. I love how these convenience stores all have different names, but they're kind of the same thing across the whole country. Except for Sheetz. Sheetz has pepperoni rolls. We got a bag, y'all. What a productive stop. I got these Sprite drinks. I've heard of them before. They're like caffeine protein drinks apparently. I'm not gonna have one now. It's already almost 7 o'clock, way too late, but for tomorrow or something. And then I got what may be dinner, a turkey sandwich with some cheese and some grapes. Not sure what's around Billings, Montana. We'll get there kind of late, so I wanna make sure I got something in my stomach now that's relatively healthy. And then of course I saw cowtails. Thought they were out, but I saw some in the back. Caramel apple, gotta try. Whenever I see these, I just wanna get one. They're just good. And now we have 81% battery, enough to get to Billings with 14%, which is great. So let's go ahead, unplug, and hit the road. We're just trekking through Montana, pretty efficient. I mean, the video's probably, cut to drive and charge. It's been a long day, but we're making progress. At a supercharger in Billings with 15%. Everyone here has the windshield thing, wiping the bugs off. Must be pretty common out here. And guess what? I need it too because my windshield is a freaking mess. I want to see the bumper too. Let me see. The windshield, you can't see too much, but it looks bad from the inside. And the bumper, holy cow. That's crazy. All right, let's plug in and then get one of those things when when they're done. Let me get the boys first. Come on, boys. Oh, they're ready. Hang on, Brody. Be patient. Wanna boop? Wanna boop? Boop. We're in a McDonald's parking lot. Good thing I ate earlier. I don't want to have to eat McDonald's, but look at the front bumper. That's crazy. That's from just today. I got it washed earlier today. He's whipping his front bumper. Okay, if you can do that, I'm gonna do that too. So I'm gonna assume that's not frowned upon and that's normal because I need to do that. Oh, Carmen wants to film. Let's have some car alarms go off and some train I don't even see just blast their freaking horn once they hit record. What the heck? This might be incredibly satisfying. Oh, they're stuck on here. I'm giving it a good rub.
Hey yo, what the?
That's the best I can do. Windshield looks good. Ignore that streak. But I just want to get enough charge so we can stay the night, be good, and leave in the morning. And 71% is plenty. So let's go ahead, unplug, and get to the hotel here in Billings, just like 5 minutes away. So we will skip there. You're good. You're good. Pumbaa, turn around. Turn around. Pumbaa, you freaking missed it. Oh, there you go.
Alrighty, it is 10:30. We're done with our nighttime routine. I'm finishing uploading footage. We might be asleep by 11 for the first time in quite some time, which would be great. I'm gonna try to do that. So, good night from Billings. See you guys in the morning.
Good morning from Billings, Montana. Not too many of these good mornings left. We got up nice and early. I took the boys out for a nice walk. I tried the cookies and cream spilt drink on my way to the gym, and it wasn't bad. Planet Fitness has been so clutch on this trip. Got another great workout in. Shout out Planet Fitness. Came back, had breakfast, walked the boys again, and we found a park where I can actually let them run around for a bit. And then I finally gave Raider another bath this morning, so he was going a bit crazy. But a pretty productive morning for a long day ahead. And we will be eating here in Billings, Montana. We're actually a few minutes away from where we're going, so let's just skip there. So obviously we are here in Montana, and today we're gonna be trying a particular berry that stands out a bit from the rest here. Huckleberries grow wild throughout the Rocky Mountains and especially here in Montana. And on all the menus here, I noticed eating huckleberries straight up is normal, but these guys put huckleberry flavors into everything. Huckleberry ice cream, huckleberry pie, huckleberry soda, literally anything. But whatever huckleberry creation they have available, we're gonna roll with it. I like saying that word, huckleberry. All right, let's go. All right, so as you can see, a bit of an audible going on here. Stella's was packed and didn't have huckleberry things in the bakery. It's also 11 o'clock, so I might be a little bit late, but I did pick up a huckleberry preserves can to dip on my huckleberry ice cream that I walked down the street to a place called the Big Dipper Ice Cream to get. So we're still huckleberried up, just a bit of a different plan. This is also not how I envisioned my lunch going today, but I got 2 very generous scoops of just straight up huckleberry ice cream. Guys said it's their most popular flavor. My plan is to just go ice cream straight up, and then if I want to get huckleberried out, I can throw some of the preserves on top. But Montana, Billings, Montana, huckleberry ice cream, Big Dipper ice cream, audible game plan. Let's see if it's a good move. Cheers. It's a fantastic move. I mean, ice cream is ice cream, right? But the huckleberry flavor, it's not crazy. It's really sweet. It is ice cream. It just, I don't know, like blueberries, blackberries, huckleberries, it's all kind of not the same thing, but kind of the same thing. But you know what? That's not appropriate for a review. We have to tell a difference. I might just go a small spoonful of the preserve straight up. All right, huckleberry, let's see what you really like. Yeah, ooh, it's sweet. This is sweet too. Man, it's like a blackberry and a little bit of blueberry. This is good. It works. It almost feels like I'm eating something healthy because I haven't had berries or any fruit on this trip except for yesterday with the sandwich. I don't know if I'll finish this, honestly. When I said 2 scoops, I expected like 2 normal scoops, and this happened. But I might finish this. All right, I did finish the preserves, and this is my last scoop with the ice cream, and I'm tapping out. Thanks, Montana. Thanks, Billings. Thanks, Huckleberry. Cheers. See you guys to wrap up. Yeah, I'm full. All right, Montana, huckleberries, legit. A lot of huckleberry pride up here too. I did also get Jimmy John's just because like I need an actual lunch today. That can't be my lunch, and we're gonna stop to charge. I don't want to risk convenience store lunches all the time, so Jimmy John's will do for now. But I gotta get that huckleberry taste in my mouth, think about it, and put it on our list. You guys know that, so I'm gonna do that here for a minute, and I'll let you guys know tomorrow where we put it. So thanks for watching, Montana. See you guys tomorrow.